Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking in the key and tempo. Choose a minor for the authentic tonal color and set a metronome to 8896 BPM so timing stays consistent. Next, isolate the primary right-hand melody. Learn the first 4-bar motif slowly and repeat until fingers memorize the shape. Once done, mark fingerings that feel comfortable and consistent because consistent fingering reduces mistakes later. Make sure to keep the wrist relaxed and use a light touch so the melody sings without overpowering the accompaniment. You now layer in the harmony. Play left-hand broken chords or bass notes on beats 1 and 3, keeping a steady pulse while the right hand carries the tune. Practice each hand alone 4 to 8 repetitions until smooth, then combine them at half speed and gradually increase tempo. Once hands match, focus on troublesome transitions by isolating 2-bar sections and repeating them slowly. Make sure to use consistent fingerings for chord changes so your hands move predictably. This prevents tension and keeps phrasing musical. You finish by shaping the piece. Apply dynamics, play the main theme slightly louder on repeats and soften pickups to create forward motion. Use sustain pedal sparingly, change pedal cleanly on chord shifts to avoid blurring. For performance readiness, run full playthroughs and record one to spot timing or balance issues. If something goes wrong, slow that passage way down and loop it until fingers and ears align, then bring it back into the full tempo. Make sure to breathe and keep relaxed for stable execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.